Now things are getting very fascinating here, guys. Listen very carefully from Kim.com. The world is heading into dark times, right? What you have noticed for a while now. Look how all these things and events are taking place throughout the world. Our current and past leaders are responsible. The protest votes will be strong. This is when real change happens. Now, the thing is, guys, voting is real, right? Imagine thinking that. So, we have already known this, that the people they choose to be in quote unquote power are always what? Predetermined, right? Always planned ahead of time. So that's number one. Number two, we talked about this before, guys, that why are we heading into dark times? We know why. Because it's basically the transition from the current system, which is it's about to collapse, right? And into the new system. That ties in with what, guys? The problem, the reaction, and the solution, right? It all comes by three. So 1, 2, 3. The problem is what we're seeing happen or happening in the world as we speak, which will in fact collapse the economy. Then the reaction, people are panicking, right? And it's getting really bad for us, the people. Guess what happens with the solution? They come out with a new system. New man-made laws as well, guys, right? It's pretty crazy. But at least we are at the forefront of all this stuff happening, right? At least we got a game plan, guys, from Digital as Investor. Listen very carefully. Fed Now at Ripple. Digital Dollar Project at Ripple. Digital Euro Association, Ripple. Digital Pound Foundation, Ripple. United Nations, Ripple. IMF, Ripple. WEF, Ripple. Sorry for all the hype, but that's just the fact, right? That's the fact, Jack. Again, this is how we know XRP is what, guys? Basically, the standard. Okay, so if the people that are in quote unquote power are predetermined, right, already chosen beforehand, what makes you think that the heart of the new financial system isn't already chosen beforehand as well, right? Wow, isn't that crazy? Huh, guys? Interesting. Now, if you go to X Action Suite, it connects to this right here, guys. With all the talks about Fed Now, David Schwartz mentioned the benefits of domestic real-time payments in a speech. XRP would bridge a different real-time payment system. Wow. XRP would bridge different real-time payment systems, guys. Again, the what of them all, the bridge of them all. The biggest obstacle is often the very last hop, getting the funds to the payment recipient through the domestic payment system, guys. Interesting, right? But lacking connectivity to consumers, CBDCs won't solve the quote last mile problem that has made modernizing international payments so difficult. If you go here, so there is definitely an opportunity here to bridge domestic real-time payment systems such as FedNow, the clearinghouse for USD. Wait a minute, what, guys? Wow. They tell what's going to happen in the future. Why? Because it's already pre-planned ahead of time, which we talked about multiple times, guys, right? Now, if we do go all the way down here, this is by Faster Payments Task Force in 2017. Lawsuit makes sense, right? Look at this. So, look at this. Faster Payments Task Force, right? The legal status of a blockchain transaction has not yet, as far as I know, been ruled on by a court of law until there is a challenge by an aggrieved party and a court rules in Ripple's favor. This remains an unsettled issue. Ripple is being what, guys? Stated literally everywhere. How don't people see? Oh my. But you know what's fascinating? Look at this from Juke BX, guys. The entire time this quote unquote court case has been going on, the Federal Reserve has been testing its new system. This case is to stall while the rails are implemented. Wow. Beautifully stated, guys. We literally stated the same exact thing, right? We told you that it's a delay tactic to begin with. And look what's happening. While this shenanigan show is ongoing, news is starting to come out, right? Fascinating, guys. Clearly stating they will use the ISO 20022 standard. The Federal Reserve is committed to using the widely accepted ISO guys standard, and we know which is the standard, right? Which was chosen a long time ago, guys. Digital Perspectives to tweet out, FedNow participants Temenos and Volante are also Ripple partners. This is fascinating, guys. This is just mind-boggling because it seems like everyone is partnered or going to be partnered with Ripple, and already is right these days. Isn't that fascinating? It will be interesting to watch the last mile come together, as David Schwartz talks about here. Right, everything is in stages, phases, until the what is turned on, the flip of the switch. Right, when this is all good to go, guys, we know what's upcoming next. Major proof right here from ProCoin News. Guess what else is happening? Ripple joins new digital dollar initiative for US CBDC program. Ripple, wow, this is just, I can't believe it, guys. Yes, we can, because it was always meant for this, right? Ripple XRP, we know the game plan. It has been revealed that Ripple will be participating in a new initiative called the Digital Dollar Project, which is a non-profit organization that is focused on finding CBDC solutions for the United States. Oh, really? Because the last domino to fall. Ripple is known as one of the only blockchain platforms that is able to provide CBDC solutions, so it makes sense. So it would make sense that Ripple is involved in such an initiative, right? Exactly, guys. Come on, the proof is in the pudding. The initiative will be planned to be launched sometime in October with the plan of enabling cross-border payments. Guys, where is this world heading towards? Yes, we know, the future, right? Everything going digital. The use of state cryptocurrency would be thoroughly tested here and will attempt to satisfy many use cases from different areas such as technology, business, and politics. Other companies will also join in the initiative in the hopes of being able to create this digital dollar. As we see right there, guys, launching technology sandbox program. We see the others, and then what do we see? Ripple. Guys, Ripple's literally everywhere. We talked about it. XRP will flow throughout the world, guys. Connect everything together, right? We're talking about all the money here, and people still think XRP will only go to $10. How does that make sense? It doesn't, right? David Schwartz literally stated that XRP needs to be at a high price for it to even work. What? For it to be even efficient, right? Wow, this is just crazy. In addition to the issue of cross-border operations, where, given the specifics of Ripple, the scope of the company's expertise is clear. The program plans to be a place where its participants can propose approaches to the implementation of states' cryptocurrency from the technological, business, and political points of view. According to a press release from the Dollar Digital Project, the participation of a diverse set of companies will ensure a variety of opinions and approaches to finding solutions for the United States central bank digital currency. We have been talking about these CBDCs for a long time, guys, and it seems like it's coming into fruition, right? Beautiful. Wow. I mean, obviously not beautiful as in the fact that, because this all ties in with what, guys, the NWO, we know this, right? But there's always two sides to the story. Take advantage and then use it for good, right? The company continued to be a major focal point due to high business demand, even as it was in the middle of a lawsuit with the SEC within the United States. Exactly. So nothing can stop what's coming, guys, because we know it's all a show, right? So far, it seems that the SEC is not making any progress against Ripple, and speculators are predicting that a settlement may be a likely outcome. Wow. Wow, guys. From You Today concludes, despite the extremely aggregated long court battle between Ripple and the SEC, the lawsuit against the company does not seem to have affected the company's reputation at all, right? Reputation, guys. There we go. Actually, you know what it did, in fact? It exposed the SEC heavily. It exposed these agencies. The agency, guys, it's all there. You see how it backfired onto the SEC? There we go, guys, right? It is funny that the company will now work on the digital currency of a country where it is being prosecuted. Wow. Absolutely just mind-boggling. Why? Because it's all a show at the end of the day, guys, right? Just grab your popcorn and enjoy it, guys. Obviously not financial advice. But anyways, that's hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys, please have a like, subscribe, Mason, and hey guys, see ya.